Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to make a marinated chicken and how I make it. What are the ingredients that I make? So I'm looking out of lemongrass. I'm gonna use this spring onions. I'm gonna put inside of the chicken to make it smells good. So next I'm gonna crush the garlic. Yeah, and then the onion also cut into small pieces. So some of it I'm going to put inside of the chicken for more aroma. So I got it like that. Yeah, it's up to you how big or small you want for the onion. So I'm gonna add also the ginger. Oops. So it's done. I'm gonna put some of it here inside of the chicken like I said earlier, and now we're going to make the sauce. So first I'm gonna put soy sauce. Also I added an oyster sauce, and I put also the ginger and the garlic and also the onions. Yeah, it's really good when after it. And then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sugar for the sweetness, and also the peppers, that's a black peppers. Yeah, and then mix it like that. Make sure everything is mixed, and then it's gonna be ready for our chicken. Oh, I added also the basil leaves, 2 pieces. So since I don't have a lemon or yeah, lemon, so I'm gonna put a toyo mansi, a little bit, and it's gonna be a nice result later. So here's the chicken. I'm gonna put this sauce, make it massage after that later. Yeah, I also put inside of the chicken to make it even. So it's ready, and we're making the massage, and the rest pour it to the chicken. So after that, guys, you can use fork so that it absorbs in the chicken. Yeah, so massage. After you mix and you have to marinated it for like more than an hour, but I'm gonna marinate it for 24 hours. And here's this, look at that, guys. So it started cooking now. Yeah, it's gonna be more yummy. You can make it at home, you don't have to buy every time in the stores. So I'm gonna make the sauce. Yes, it's this tomato, I'm gonna put this to the soy sauce. Well, actually you don't have to make it if you don't want to, because the chicken is already sauted with taste. So of course the rice I'm gonna prepare while it's almost ready. And here it is, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks delicious. What do you think? Try it at home. I'm sure your family gonna love it.
When you saw that chicken, I said, "Oh, how's that going to go?"
There you go.
No, look at that. It's really amazing.
And that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video.
Wow.
Don't forget to like, comments, and follow. Thank you so much. Yeah, homemade
It's kind of hard to cut because it's on the plate, not on the
Never
wood.
mind, just leave it like that.
You want to have the chicken?